Logging into Instagram. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Yay. Let's pin this. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist, here to talk to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. And I am extremely excited today because today's day 30. So it's been 1 month that I've been doing this detox drink, which is exciting on so many levels. Not only that I know that I've been focusing on something that can heal me, mind, body, skin, and hair, but that I have been consistent for 30 days. And anybody that knows me knows it's hard for me to be consistent. Like, I'll start something with so much enthusiasm and then it dwindles down and it's like, okay, where's Donata? Is she still doing this or not? So that's one of my struggles. We all got our stuff we struggle with, so that's one of mine. I'm gonna blame it on my ADHD because we get fired up when it comes time to do something, and then the follow through is another beast. The follow through is a struggle. So I'm excited that I'm on day 30. I'm excited. It's been a month. I feel blessed, and now I feel my body's ready for the next. Good morning. I feel my body's ready for the next thing. I've been doing this detox drink. I've been more mindful about what I eat. I've been incorporating more fruits and vegetables. I started exercising. Now my body's saying I'm ready to go deeper. So I'm excited about that. So let me go ahead and do the I'm always missing something when I get started. Where's my knife? Let me go ahead and do the detox drink, and I will tell you guys what I'm looking forward to doing next. Good morning, those that are joining and those that are watching on the replay. Today I'm gonna, of course, do the kidney liver flush, which is the claws drink, and I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit of what my plans are for continuing this amazing journey of detoxing my mind, body, skin, and hair. So I think I'm just gonna do 2 drinks today. So C for cayenne pepper. And if you're on and you've been on this journey or been doing the detox drink or want more information, feel free to drop your questions or send it via DM or Insta inbox on Facebook. C for cayenne pepper. L for lemon. You want half a lemon. Good morning, how are you? You want to be interactive with your food, so that means you cut your lemon, you squeeze your lemon versus using lemon juice. So half a lemon. How are you? And you know, right now I'm doing my personal detox cleanse for parasites, and then the regular claws drink for one daughter because the other one already went to work. Half a lemon for exfoliation. C for cayenne pepper helps with circulation. So if you have problems with circulation, definitely get familiar with cayenne pepper. A for apple cider vinegar. For my daughter, I put it straight in her drink. Always get apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Good morning, Facebook. And for me, you know that the apple cider vinegar really bothers my teeth, so I take it as a shot where it goes directly in my throat. This drink, you have to drink it 30 minutes before you brush your teeth, or it will affect the enamel of your teeth over time. 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. So this is how I do my apple cider vinegar. If you see, it's just a little bit. I put 1 tablespoon. You never take apple cider vinegar straight. It will burn your stomach, your esophagus, your throat. It's just too strong. So if you notice, I had this much apple cider vinegar, this much water. That's good to dilute it. That went right there. My apple cider vinegar is out the way. So CLA, W for water. I have 8 to 9 ounces of water in here. For my daughter's drink, I'm gonna use the sweetener. Sometimes we use agave, sometimes we use honey, whatever's in the house. For my drink, I'm not gonna use sweetener because parasites love sugar. So I try to keep my sugar content down. And then E for extra virgin olive oil, organic and cold press. This helps with a smooth elimination. I will be adding this to both drinks. This time I won't use the turmeric. Guys, you can get very creative with your drink. You can add thyme, you can add ginger, you can add cloves, you can add garlic, you can add mint. Good morning. There's so many different things you could add to your drink. It doesn't have to be the Claus drink every single day. Some days you see me add turmeric. Some days you see me add garlic. Some days you see me add ginger. Some days you see me add cinnamon. So get creative because all of these herbs are beneficial for your body. So you want to be sure that you're kind of rotating that drink. Add a little something here and there. Now for me, I did the cayenne, lemon, apple cider vinegar. I drank water. Sweetener I skipped. You can see the extra virgin olive oil kind of hanging out at the top. For me, I'm gonna add, because I'm on my cycle, I'm not gonna add the turmeric, only because I'm trying to see if the turmeric makes my cycle a little bit heavier when I add turmeric. But I am gonna add the diatomaceous earth because I needed to grab those parasites and pull them out. And I will drink that off screen. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my journey and what I have planned next to do. So if anybody wants to join me, ooh, I'm feeling mucusy today. I have to look to see what I ate yesterday to make me mucusy. I know I had some rice. That's pretty much it, rice. Okay. I need to start writing down what I eat so I can correlate the days that I have more mucus to the food that I'm eating. But guys, real quickly, let me tell you about what I have planned next for my body. As I was saying at the beginning, while you're on this journey, your body's gonna start telling you what to do next. And when it does, just go with the flow. Feel it and do it. If it asks for you to start walking, start walking. If it asks for you to drink even more water, start drinking more water. If you notice you want to really start tackling your mind, start doing meditation, start journaling, because as you're doing this, your body's going to crave more healthy things. Give it to it. Give it to your body. So I've been on this journey for 30 days, and now I'm feeling I need to take this journey a little bit deeper. So if you guys are familiar with Christina from Fully Raw Juice, I've been following her for many years, and she's a beautiful soul. And she started the 7-day juice cleanse. And I purchased her program, and this week I'm gonna be buying my juicer, because the juicer that I have, you can kind of see it right there. It's a Breville juicer, but when it juices, first of all, it's a centrifugal juicer. So that means that 1, it juices at a high speed, and 2, it doesn't take out all the nutrients that you need from your fruits. If you notice when you juice, if the pulp feels wet, that means that the juicer did not extract everything from the fruits and vegetables. And if you're gonna get serious about juicing and juice every day or even 3 to 4 times a week, you wanna invest in a juicer that's gonna give you the most out of your fruits and vegetables. At the beginning, it's cool to buy a juicer that's about $100 or less. That seems like, yeah, you got a good deal. But when you're spending extra money on fruits and vegetables because the juicer did not extract everything from the fruits and vegetables, over time you're gonna be wasting money. So I was going to start her cleanse this week, but when I looked at how much my juicer wastes ingredients, I decided I'm gonna hold off on the juice cleanse and buy my juicer. So I'm gonna be buying my juicer this week, which I'm really excited. So here's the next plans that I feel my body need. First, I'm going to do the 7-day juice cleanse. And the 7-day juice cleanse, you just drink the juices. So for 7 days, you're not eating anything. All you're doing is juicing. I started buying my jars. I'll be drinking, you guys know I drink one of these a day because I'm trying to have more fruits and vegetables. I can't, the whole eating fruits and vegetables, it's so much easier for me to drink it. So with the juice cleanse, I'll be making 6 to 7 jars of this per day for 7 days, and that's all I'm going to have. For me, that's exciting because one, I'm going to overload my body with minerals and enzyme, and at the same time I'm going to give my digestive system a chance to take a break and not digest fibers and the foods that are coming into my body. It's going to just be the drinks. So one, I'm excited to give my body a break. Number two, I'm excited to juice and give myself more fruits and vegetables. And the most important thing that I'm excited about this journey is I am hearing a lot of people talk about the emotional transition that they go through when they're juicing. Something about infusing your body with fruits and vegetables and just allowing your body to take a break. It goes into your different organs and your different tissues, and it starts pulling out all the emotions that you've been trying to block out for years. So I'm in the of course I'm in her Facebook group following everybody that's already started the journey, and 9 out of 10 people are going through an emotional cleanse. And I know for a fact that I need that. I've held stuff for years. I've held so much stuff that I don't even know what I'm holding on to. But I just know my body is holding on to stuff that I need to release. And I'm going to use this cleanse as an emotional releasing cleanse. Not to lose weight, not to brighten my skin, not to brighten my hair, not to feel good. Although I will have all those happen when I do the cleanse, but the emotional aspect of this juice cleanse, that's what I'm looking forward to. So I'm looking forward to releasing some shit, really releasing some shit. So not just toxins, but emotional negativity that's been bogged down in my body. I'm gonna look forward to journaling my journey, so I can let me know what it is that you want to talk about. I don't usually just allow people to come on live without me knowing what it is that they're going to talk about. I had my cousin request to come on live, and she was just chit-chatting with her child. It had nothing to do with my detox drink. So unless you have a testimony, or maybe you've done a juice cleanse and you want to talk about your experience, or you're doing a detox and you want to talk about your experience, then sure, I would love to bring you on. So just jot down organically just jot down what it is that you want to share with us. So that's going to be my next step, and I'm hoping to start in the next 1 or 2 weeks to start the 7-day cleanse. After that, you guys know I've been dealing with parasites. Yes, I make my little parasite drink. Yes, it's helping me. But I know somebody on Instagram where my personal customers have used her parasite detox, and they're finding amazing results with it. Not only does she sell the parasite detox, but she also sells a package that replenishes your body after it's detox a lot or majority of your parasites. So after my 7-day cleanse, that is the next thing I'm going to give my body, is the real parasite detox. And then after that, I may continue with the detox journey, or we'll see what my body needs at that time. But I just wanted to share with you guys what plans I have next for my mind, body, skin, and hair, so that as I'm doing it, one, if you want to join, you can ask me questions and I can tell you exactly what I'm doing. Two, if you just want to watch and then do it yourself later, you are more than welcome to do that, because as you can see, by seeing me live every single day, you can visually see my transformation. You guys know over the past 30 days, my hair's been looking better, My skin has been looking better. My skin goes through its phases. Like if you notice, again, it has another dark patch. So that comes and goes, and I'm still trying to figure out why that comes and goes. You could see it really good. And I saw that this morning. So maybe it's my body still cleansing. Maybe it's my body still purging. But whatever it is, you guys get to watch the journey with me. So that's the exciting part. So if you guys did not watch yesterday's live stream, we did detox the hair. Doriel talked a lot about different things that has to pertain to the hair. That was last night. Be sure you watch that replay. It ends on Instagram at 7 p.m. The only way to get a copy of that replay is to subscribe to my email. So only my tribe gets a copy of the Spring Detox replay. My personal journey is you're able to view it on YouTube, and my YouTube is called Skinfood. I'm on day 30. So I think on YouTube, I'm up to day 17 or 18. I'm posting them a little bit behind. Remember, on YouTube, I share a little description about what I went through during the day. So you guys, if you're doing the juice detox, if you're feeling some symptoms, you can kind of see what I went through. So you have YouTube, Skinfood. Subscribe to my emails to get the Spring Detox Journey information. And then join us next week, 7 p.m. on Instagram and Facebook, Eastern Standard Time. We're going to do a demo on how to detox the hair. And we'll talk a little bit further. So those are all my church announcements for today. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm going to go ahead and drink up my detox drink and start my day. If you have any questions, those that are watching on the replay, you can send me a DM and I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to feed your skin from the inside out. Have a blessed and amazing Tuesday. Bye, guys.